I say bananas, you say peppers. And today I know that you banana peppers out there that have been so sick of me unboxing mini brands, y'all are gonna be so excited for a different kind of unboxing. I was cleaning out my little storage closet over here where I keep all of my, oddly enough, slime making supplies, even though I feel like I haven't made slime in years. I've tested slime, but I haven't made. And you know what supplies I found over the weekend? Okay, I wanted to make macaroni and cheese slime, and I bought all the supplies and then I never made the video. So let me know, should I try and make that? I don't even know if that was like a recipe that I saw or I just bought stuff to make macaroni and cheese slime. Should we do it? Should I do it? I don't know. But anyway, I found some boxes of magical blind box figurines that I had somehow never unboxed. And I found these, which are KidRobot Care Bear keychains. We have an entire brand new blind box full of blind boxes. And then look at these that I found too. They are Andy Warhol Dunnies Series 2. And I honestly tried to look up my past uploads, and I don't think that I've done either of these series. Please let me know if I have, and I'm just having some kind of moment. Do you guys remember seeing those? I don't know. We've done a lot of Andy Warhol ones before, but I think they always came in cans or like Brillo boxes, or we did the little keychains, but I don't think we had ever done this series yet. And honestly, the same goes with these. You guys, I hope that this video today is not somehow a repeat upload or like a repeat unboxing, because I know that we did do KidRobot Care Bear keychains a couple of years ago. But I think that this is a whole different series where maybe it's like different Care Bears than they had done before, or they're standing in different positions or something like that, because these are called the Unbearably Cute vinyl keychains, and I think that these are actually going to be in bags. And I feel like when we did Care Bear keychains before, oh my god, are they all? Oh, these are funky. This is gonna be interesting. Anyway, I swear the KidRobot Care Bear keychains we opened before, they were in boxes, and these are some of the keychain baggies slash blind bag figure baggies. I don't know. Sometimes they come in boxes. Sometimes they come in bags. I think the last ones were boxes and these are bags, and I'm pretty sure I just said the same thing 3 times over. But we can go ahead and take a look at this one because that was such a strange experience. Like the very first one that came out of here, like it's not ripped open. It just like somehow didn't get sealed. So it's actually a miracle that the little Care Bear was still inside of there. Whoa! Okay, so let me situate myself so that I can get closer to the camera. See, I don't remember this Care Bear. I remember that we had some before that were in a similar, like, cute little sitting position, but I don't know what. Please tell me that they have the Care Bears on the back. This is Surprise Bear, 1 out of every 24, so kind of rare. Let's see if we're gonna open 24 today. Anyway, yeah, I actually don't know, like, every single Care Bear. I feel like I liked Care Bears, like, a pretty decent amount when I was growing up, but I wasn't like the biggest Care Bear fan of all time. You know what I mean? People were shocked that I didn't know 90210, but I honestly just never watched that show. I feel like I was like a little bit too young maybe for the 90210 era, or somehow I missed it. I don't know. So yeah, look at this one though. This one's like sealed kind of weirdly as well. So yeah, I feel like I'm familiar with like the basic Care Bears, and honestly I really liked some of the Care Bear cousins better. Like I loved the Lion Care Bear, so it's not like I know like every single Care Bear. Anyway, here is Good Luck Bear, and this one does look oddly familiar. I don't know. Hopefully we haven't done these before. Ah! If so, hopefully it's long enough that both you and I and everyone else perhaps watching this video have forgotten it. So it looks like most options are something out of every 24. There's some of them that are, oh my gosh, Tenderheart Bear is 1 out of 96. There's some that looks like they're 1 out of 48. And then there is a question mark out of question mark. So it is so rare. We don't even know how rare it is, but bag number 3 already. And you guys, the bags go by so fast. Is this one that we've seen before? Okay, this is the one with the padlock on the stomach, and I honestly really like this one. It's so cute, and I know that there are some people just screaming through the screen right now telling me it's not padlock on the stomach bear, it's secret bear. 2 out of every 24, but I don't know. For me, it's padlock on the stomach bear. And I have to say, I was just thinking about this the other day. Oh my God, I'm trying to like unwrap this because I was thinking to myself, wouldn't this be cute? I wanted to turn it into like an earring. How cute is that? Not just keychains anymore, also earrings. Or you could put it on a necklace. That would be so cute too. Bag number 4. I don't know how many bags we have. We maybe have 24. Oh, it says 18 unbearably cute friends to collect right on the front. Is this Funshine Bear? Look at me pretending like I just remembered its name. I didn't. I just happened to read it really quickly on the chart. Funshine Bear. 1 out of every 24. I'm trying to, oh God, look at its face. Ah! See, I feel like this is a more modern version of the Care Bears. I feel like Care Bears, it's like a thing like My Little Pony, where they have come out with so many like slight reimaginings of the designs of the characters over the years, which, oh, you guys have to let me know if you watch The Toys That Made Us on Netflix. I love that show. I wish they made more episodes than they did about different toys. Look, it is Secret Bear again. But they did one on My Little Pony, and it was so fascinating to see all of the different versions of My Little Pony that there has been. I feel like they could do one for Care Bears as well. I feel like Care Bears have been very popular and influential over the years. I feel like a lot of people collect Care Bears, and I feel like they've had a lot of redesign. Oh my gosh! No, okay, I thought that this was gonna be like the ultra rare super secret one because it looks so wild. This is amazing. See, I never saw this one. So honestly, maybe that's the thing, and you guys have to let me know. Maybe the reason that I don't know all the Care Bears is because these are more Care Bears than was the original Care Bears. So maybe they added new Care Bears and I don't know those Care Bears because I just didn't, I don't know. I didn't keep up with Care Bear lore, but I love this one. This one is amazing. It's called Work of Heart Bear. And he's like a little artist, and each one of his ears and stuff is a magical different color. And I don't know what it looks like on the screen, but it's kind of pastel in real life and it's adorable. And I'm definitely gonna turn this one into a necklace. So this one is 2 out of every 24. So surprisingly more common, and I thought it was gonna be the super secret, mega, ultra rare. I hope we get that one today just because I wanna know what it is. See, this one looks a little bit more familiar to me. Best Friend Bear, 2 out of every 24. Yeah, I feel like I loved all the little stars and stuff when I was growing up. I definitely had a lot of like Care Bear coloring books and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, their little faces are just so happy and full of joy. Some of their expressions, like I feel like I like the ones that are like standing up more. I feel like somehow they have like even cuter faces to me. New Care Bear, what's it gonna be? Ooh, wait, did we see this one already? Am I having a moment? It's a sitting bear. So it's not the ultra rare. And I've been tearing, oh, there it is. Okay, Shine Bright Bear is what this one looks like. Oh, so cute. Looks like he's having a little daydream. And I like this color too. It's almost like a pinky purple. What was that gesture? It's almost like a pinky purple kind of color. Oh, I was ready for a good rip and it didn't happen. Okay, this is Sleepy Time Bear. See, Bedtime Bear. I can't even get that one right. I was like, you know what? This is a Care Bear that I recognize. Like, clearly I don't. This one is so cute. I feel like I also really loved this one. And I love the moon. So cute. Look at its little sleepy expression. I feel like I forgot to tell you guys the rarenesses. So Shine Bright Bear is 2 out of every 24. Bedtime Bear is only 1 out of every 24. And there is a Sweet Dreams Bear. Did we see that one already? What's the difference between Sleepy Goodnight Bear, Bedtime Bear, and Sweet Dreams Bear? I guess we'll find out. Oh, it's Birthday Bear. One of the more rare ones. Only 1 out of every 48. Probably won't be seeing him again. Okay, next we got, oh, Grumpy Bear. I feel like this is everyone's like favorite. I feel like all the merch and everything in the world is for Grumpy Bear, which I don't know if I was like that into Grumpy Bear. 2 out of every 24 for Grumpy Bear. He just always seemed a little, you know, grumpy to me. So I'm drinking coffee at 1 a.m. Why? I literally don't know. I have no good excuse for that. We got, oh, this one again, which Best Friend Bear, 2 out of every 24. So probably won't be seeing this little guy again. Reaching into the thing. I wish that I would have remembered to charge my other camera and I could have gotten like a reaching in camera angle. Just my fingers fumbling in the box. You guys, why don't I know the difference between boxes and bags today? Who did we get? Ooh, what is this one? Music Time Bear? Heart Song Bear. Oh my God, and he's singing. Look at those luscious lashes as well. Singing a tune. I feel like I can confidently say this one did not exist in the late 80s, early 90s, and watch me be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, reaching in and grabbing a Care Bear. Look, you guys are gonna see before me. Which one did we get? Oh, my favorite one so far, Work of Heart Bear. So 2 out of every 24. Won't be seeing this one again. See what I'm saying? These bags have gone by so fast. Like, how many have we tore open already? Okay, you guys get to see before me again. Who's it gonna be? Tell me. It's Grumpy Bear again. Reaching in, grabbing a Care Bear. And also now my hand can't get out of the box. It's open again. Why does that freak me out so much? I didn't open this bag. It just came that way. Oh, I think this is the other like nighttime bear. Sweet Dreams Bear, 2 out of every 24. So let's put him with his little friend. Okay, see, this one still looks awake and like Sleepy Time Bear looks more sleepy. That would make sense for Sleepy Time Bear. Okay, Sweet Dreams Bear, 2 out of every 24. Is this one open too? No. These kind of remind me of those balloons you remember that I used to get like every Valentine's Day, and I used to love those things. And they, you know, and you have a balloon. Who is it? Oh, it's the same one we literally just saw. Somehow I forgot already. That one's gone. Where did you go? I think it was a green one. It is a green one. It's Good Luck Bear, which I feel like that was one of the first ones that we saw today. Look, he's like Kermit Green. They could be friends. I don't know how many we've opened. I don't know how many more there are. Oh, what is this one? Oh, really, what is it? The camera won't focus and I can't see. Wait, haven't we seen this one too? I feel like this was like one of the first ones we saw. This one's Laugh a Lot Bear. Did we see this one? I'm digging through our pile of Care Bears up here and I don't see it, but this one actually is pretty common, 3 out of 48. And this one is Laugh a Lot Bear. See, I feel like this is an OG Care Bear. And I do think that this is a different set entirely. And I think some of the things that they did is maybe now they had like Grumpy Bear standing before, and then in this series he's sitting. And maybe that's how they've like done 2 sets of these. I don't know. I don't know. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, it's one with a rainbow. What is the Cheer Bear? Oh. And it does look very, very cheerful. I love that. 1 out of every 24. I love the extra cheerful expression. I guess that makes sense for being Cheer Bear, that he would look very cheerful. Come on, I want to see one of the rare ones. Tender Heart Bear or question mark out of question mark bear. But we got, oh, we've seen this one before. What was this one called? Shine Bright Bear? How can I not remember, literally? What's that trick for like remembering somebody's name? I feel like that's something that they teach you in like business classes in college, and they're like, repeat their name 5 times over and you'll never forget it. Clearly I need to do that with Care Bears. Who is this one? We saw this one too, right? It's like I don't remember their names and I also don't remember what I've seen today. No, this one must be different. Love a Lot Bear. Ooh, this is one of the more rare ones. 1 out of every 48. Who was the other one? Birthday Bear was the other 1 out of every 48. So we got a couple of the more rare ones. I think we only have 2 envelopes left. What is this? It is, oh, the music Heart Song Bear. And I've got plastic stuck to my appendages. Yeah, last one. Last chance, you guys. I don't know if there's anyone. It looks like maybe this is either gonna be a repeat or one of the super more rare ones. So let's find out what it's gonna be. It is, oh, nope. We were missing the 1 out of every 24, which is Champ Bear. I didn't even see him on the chart. I feel like there is a lot of blue Care Bears, you know? Isn't that kind? There's a lot of blue and pink Care Bears. Only like a couple yellow ones. Well, I guess there's only so many colors of the rainbow. There's only so many colors that the Care Bears can be. Tie-dye bear. See, I feel like Work of Heart Bear is like the closest to tie-dye bear that we're gonna get. But that's it, you guys. I can't believe, I do feel like this was somehow a much quicker unbagging, and it is because of the bags, as I've probably said 5, 6 times in this video already. But anyway, you guys, let me know which Care Bear is your favorite. Also, please feel free to give me some Care Bear knowledge. Like, are these all somehow original Care Bears and I just don't know anything about Care Bears? Or are these some of the newer characters? And also let me know, because I honestly don't remember the thing about My Little Ponies either. I don't remember if they like add new ponies or if they just reimagine and like redesign and re-illustrate ponies that have already existed. I kind of don't remember, because I feel like My Little Pony was in the very first series of the Toys That Made Us, which I think that is like a couple years old now, but who knows? I don't know. 2020 is like a whole year that I just missed. It's like that year didn't exist, so I don't know. I really don't. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. Also, don't forget to remind me, did we unbox the Andy Warhol ones before? Let me know. I tried to like search for my own videos, and sometimes I feel like I'm successful at that and sometimes not so much. But yes, if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I will be back